guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a soft glam look. To start off, I'm just gonna prime my face with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation primer, and I'm just gonna be blending this out with my fingers. And then next we're gonna go into eyebrows. I know I thought I stopped doing this, but decided to just go back to this method of doing my makeup. And I'm gonna be using both my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and the Brow Wiz in the shades Ebony. I just use the Brow Wiz at the front so it's not as harsh as the Dip Brow. And just spooling it out. And I'm just gonna clean up my brows using the Makeup Revolution concealer. And I'm pretty sure this is in the shade C13, but everything will be listed down in the description box down below. And I'm gonna use that same concealer to prime my eyelids. And to set the eyelids, I'm gonna go into my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. And for the eye look, I'm just gonna go into the Morphe 35. Oh wait, no, it's the Jaclyn Hill palette, my bad. All the shade names and everything will also be listed down below. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty foundation in the shade 450, and this is becoming a bit light for me, so I think I'm going to have to start mixing actually this is 450 and 440 to get like my perfect match. And just blending this out with my Morphe brush. And I'm going to be using that same concealer to highlight my face, but in the shade C14. I'm just going to set that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. Sorry, I suck at these. I haven't made a voiceover in so long. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the Fenty matchsticks, and I'll have the shade name and everything listed down in this description box. I'm just gonna blend it out with another Morphe brush. To contour my face, I'm going to be using Carob from ABH. And I'm just going to be using this, I think it's the R8 brush. And for blush, I'm using the e.l.f. blush kit in dark, and that dark color I showed you. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using my ABH glow kit in tourmaline. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay De-Slick powder setting spray. I'm really bad at this, I'm sorry you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this look. And for lips, I'm just wearing, I believe it's No Chill by ColourPop, and I really love how this color looks on my skin tone. If you're my skin tone and maybe darker, I feel like this would look amazing on you. And I'm pretty sure that's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys!